Good morning, guys. It is day 5 of digital learning. Today in math, we're going to be talking about multi-step word problems. And I can't exactly, I'm going to use one of the examples on the paper. So I'm going to do number 3 with you because I saw that it might be more difficult than some of the other ones. Remember, with multi-step word problems, you're never going to have, it's never just going to be add these two numbers. It's going to be adding and then dividing, or it's going to be two different operations, possibly 3. So in this one, I'm going to read it out loud. It says, the librarian bought 5 new bookshelves. So we want to underline our number facts as we go to. He had 53 fiction books and 47 nonfiction books. If he put the same number of books into each shelf, how many books will he have on each shelf? Okay, so if I look for clue words, I know each sometimes means division, sometimes it means multiplication. So I'm going to kind of circle these as I go just so I'm aware of them. So the first step, I want to write, he has 5 new bookshelves. Then he has 53 fiction books and 47 nonfiction. Okay, you always want to go back and ask yourself what the question is asking. How many books will he have on each shelf? Well, in order to split these books up on these shelves, we have to know how many total we have. So the first step would be to add. So I want to add 7 plus 3, which is 10. Bring down my 0 and I carry my 1. And then I add 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 4. So that would be 10. All right, so now that I have my total books, I can split it up. And we know splitting it onto shelves means division. So you would do 100 divided by 5. And you say, can 5 go into 1? No, it cannot. Can 5 go into 10? How many times? Twice. 5 times 2 is 10, so I take that away. 10 minus 10 is 0. Bring down your 0. Right? And then since my top is not filled in all the way, I've got to do it one more time. Can 5 go into 0? No, it cannot. Take away 0. Obviously, 0 minus 0 is 0. My top is completely filled in, and that means I'm done. Okay, so my answer would be 20 books on each shelf. All right, and like I said, all of these problems are different, but they all have 2 steps for sure. If you guys get stuck on any of them or need a specific problem, like need help with a specific problem, just let me know. Send me a shot of it and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys. Good luck.